All right, everybody, here is your core bites number 145. So let's see what you need for this one. The first one has a series of numbers, and of course, you're missing one. So let's see if we can figure out the pattern. So we've got 2 to 4, 6, 8, missing number 12, 14. So if you figured it out, you're adding 2 each time. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 would give you 10. Okay? 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Okay? So that's what happened with that one. For number 2, complete it. So we have 850 thousandths equals how many tens? So that would be 85,000 tens. That would be what would make that equal. For the next one, you are adding 1/10 plus 1/100 and then 1/10. Okay? So you're going to have to make the denominators all be the same here. So if you remember our trick, if you add a 0 to the bottom, just add a 0 to the top. So 1/10 is going to become 10 over 100 plus 1 over 100 plus 10 over 100. And then because they all have the same denominator, you're just going to put your denominator, and then you're going to add. So you would have 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 1 is 21. You cannot reduce that, so your answer would be 21 over 100. Okay? For the next one, what is the value of x? So we know that this side is 50. We know that this side is 40. If you add them together, you get the entire angle, okay? So 50 degrees plus 40 degrees equals 90 degrees. And that's your answer, okay? And then for the last one, sketch a pair of perpendicular lines. So you really would need a straight edge for this. So if you have a ruler, that would be perfect. And so all you do is you would just pretend you're at a four-way stop sign or a stoplight, because every side of them, each of these is going to be a right angle. They're all going to be 90 degrees. So there you go. You're at the stoplight, you're at the stop signs, and each of those is going to be a right angle, which is 90 degrees. All right, guys, let us know if you have questions.